Restaurant English conversation. Do you have a table for two? Yes, please follow me this way. Can I see the menu, please? Of course, here you are. What do you recommend today? Our grilled salmon is very popular. Is this dish spicy? It has a mild spice level. Can I get a glass of water? Sure, I will bring it right away. What are today's specials? We have a fresh seafood pasta special. Do you have any vegetarian options? Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes. How long will the food take? It should be ready in about 15 minutes. Can I get this without onions? Of course, I will let the chef know. What kind of soup do you have? We have tomato soup and chicken soup. Could you bring some more bread? Sure, I will bring it right away. Is the steak cooked medium rare? Yes, exactly as you requested. Can we split the bill? Yes, we can split it evenly. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we accept all major cards. Can I have the dessert menu? Certainly, here is the dessert menu. What desserts do you recommend? The chocolate cake is our best seller. Is there a wait for a table? There is about a 10-minute wait. Can we sit by the window? Yes, that table is available now. Do you have gluten-free options? Yes, we have several gluten-free dishes. Can I get this to go? Sure, I will pack it for you. What beverages do you serve? We serve soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Is service included in the bill? Yes, a service charge is included. Can you make it less salty? Of course, I will adjust the seasoning. Do you have a kids menu? Yes, we have a special kids menu. Can I change my order? Yes, what would you like instead? Is the fish fresh today? Yes, it was delivered this morning. Can we get separate checks? Yes, I will prepare separate checks. What time do you close tonight? We close at 11 o'clock tonight. Can I make a reservation? Yes, for what time would you like it? Could I get the bill, please? Of course, I will bring it right away.